Hi guys, today is Thursday and here in Israel they're still celebrating Sukkot holiday. So I will be showing to you what's inside of Sukkah. This one is near the synagogue. That one is the synagogue and this is the Sukkah that they have behind the synagogue, and this is what's inside. You will see a chair and a table and the Bible, I think, that one, or the Torah, and there they will go there, they can eat there and have some, celebration and blessings. So that's what inside. Okay, that's all. Bye. This is the synagogue.